To send money through Western Union, start by opening the Western Union app on your mobile device and logging into your account. If you're not logged in, enter your email address or mobile number and password, or use Face ID if it's set up. Once logged in, navigate to the home page and select either Check Rates or Send at the bottom of the screen. You will then be taken to a page where you need to choose the amount and currency you want to send. The app will display the amount the receiver will get, as well as the exchange rate. Next, select your preferred payment method, such as credit card, debit card, bank account, Apple Pay, or cash in store. After that, choose how the receiver will get the money, either cash pickup or mobile wallet. Review the total amount you'll pay, including any fees, and tap Continue. You will then be prompted to enter the receiver's information, including their first name, middle name, last name, email address, and phone number. Tap Continue and enter your own details, such as phone number, date of birth, country of birth, nationality, and home address. Review all the details, including the amount being sent, exchange rate, fees, and payment method. Once you've reviewed everything, tap I agree and then Pay. Choose your payment method, and the money will be sent through Western Union.